In this video, I'm going to explain how to do corrections for any of the assessments in this course. So first off, you're going to be, so you can see my screen now, I'm going to show you how to navigate to this. So if you go into your course, at the bottom of the unit is the assessment corrections. And you'll see right here, there's our unit 1. There's already one there for unit 2 as well. So what you're going to do is when you click on that, it gives you some directions that you need to follow. This assignment is just going to earn bonus basically back, so some test points back to boost your grade up. It is not required. I'm not going to mandate that you do it, but it must be turned in by the due date since it's bonus. So if you don't turn this in by 9/18, you will not receive any credit. And by 9/18, I mean by midnight, so before that day ends. That will be Fridays. The test corrections are probably always going to be due on Fridays. It'll give you that week to kind of get them squared away. And you will earn half credit back for each correction completed, and this will go into your total points. Since my class is all total points, it's going to work out the same as if I were to put that back into your test score. So it's going to show up as a separate assignment in PowerSchool and in Canvas. And then you can see there's a link for the template for corrections. You can also do your own on separate paper, but this template will ensure that you get everything right so that you get full points back. Once you open it, this is what it will look like. In the yellow, type in the unit, and for your own help, go up to the top bar and type in which assessment corrections it is, so when you go to turn this in, you'll be able to easily find it. Then right here, you're going to copy the question number and question here. So this is from Codeorg, and if you look back at the Canvas, you're going to need to let me know to unlock this test when you're ready to work on it so that I can give you that edit access. I believe, again, it's only for 24 hours, so you want to make sure that you have the time to complete the test corrections. I've already done it on my test account, so you can see mine's unlocked. If you see the lock symbol, that means you need to email me and let me know that you need it unlocked. And then you can click on it and you can find all of your questions and the correct answers. So I would copy and paste number 1 and copy this, and then that one I got right. But anyone else, like this one down here, I could copy 2, and I'm going to go and paste it into my document. So I'll paste that question right here. And then in this space, it says write out a full explanation demonstrating that you understand your mistakes and that you could get this question right in the future. You must use complete sentences. This is the key. This is how you're going to get those half points back. Really explain, demonstrating that you understand it. Don't just tell me the correct answer. Tell me how you know the correct answer. Tell me why you made the mistake in the first place. Tell me how you're going to remember it now. Things like that. And that's how you get your correction points back. So if you want to do this, this is here as an assignment. If you don't, you're fully welcome to skip it as well.